Hello, my dear Dhamma friends around the world. I'm here with you this evening with a new video. My dear friends, there is a beautiful quote from the enlightened Buddha. Dullabho manussa patilavo, dullabha buddhanam upadho, dullabho sadhamma Shavanam. This is the beautiful quote from the enlightened Buddha. My dear friends, the Blessed One said, rare is what as a human being? Rare is the appearance of a Buddha, and rare is the hearing of the true Dhamma. This reminds us that human life is not ordinary. It is very precious. With this life, we have the rare chance to learn the truth, to practice Dhamma, and to walk on the path of wisdom and compassion. So, my dear friends, but this human life is also short and fragile. The Buddha reminds us that all things are impermanent. Youth, health, beauty, wealth, and even life itself will one day pass away. When we see this truth, we do not waste time in attachment and ignorance, but instead live wisely with mindfulness and compassion. The Buddha also explained that life is marked by suffering. But birth, old age, sickness, and death are unavoidable. Yet, He did not leave us without hope. He showed us the noble eightfold path, the way to peace, freedom, and awakening. Our life becomes meaningful not because of where we are born, but because of how we think and act. The Buddha declared, mind is the forerunner of all things. If one speaks or acts with a pure mind, happiness follows like a shadow that never leaves. This means it is our thoughts, words, and deeds that shape our life and future. So, my dear Dhamma friends, the message is clear. Life is rare, life is short, but it is the greatest opportunity we have to awaken, to love, and to live in peace. Let us use this precious human birth wisely. Let us fill our days with kindness, compassion, and truth, so that our lives shine with meaning and beauty. Thank you for watching, my dear Dhamma friends. May all beings be happy, may all beings be peaceful, and may all beings be free from suffering. Sabbe satta sukhita hantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Thank you again.